Okay folks, today we're going to be talking about the 145 rear bath by Jayco. It's a small 14-foot trailer, but I think you're going to like it. Comes with your propane tank and your manual tongue lift, a front window which is nice in the wintertime. You get an awesome power awning and you get some outside speakers. All Jaycos come with a 2-year warranty. Give us a call about questions about that. 145 RB, easy to open. If you come inside here, so some people like them with the bed. The one I showed before has a permanent bed. This one does not have a permanent bed. It comes with this space right here that you can create a dinette, or if you want to just have space, or you have 2 beds right here, however you want to do it. You get an AC, you get a nice fridge, little small fridge, storage units, 2 burner sunburn, and then you have storage overhead here, and a microwave. You have a little bathroom. More storage over here, entertainment. Have an entertainment Bluetooth stereo. The speakers work inside and outside. And you have a big closet on the back there. Take a look at that. Yeah, hanging closet. Okay folks, yeah, if you have any questions, you're looking for a really inexpensive basic trailer, this Jayco 14RB is an awesome $14,000 trailer. Give me a call, Anthony the Ant-Man Fuller, 541-653-2818. Thank you.